off because it is connected to the loop itself. We will click on this one. Once we will click, here it will come. 250 should be on. Hard should be selected. Once you can select and disconnect from here also. After that, if it is connected, then connect on device. It will take some time. It will take some time. After that, it will come another window. See, 9.2 bar, 9.2 bar. Okay, 6 percentage. In percentage, it will be like this. 5 milliampere output. If we measure, we will see the same.
5 milliampere, huh?
Yeah, 5 milliampere. Pressure process milliampere is 5 milliampere.
Focus.
You are going to loop test, you will select on loop test here. Click on this one. Okay, then select on enter. Now you see there is the black bar available. Okay, if we increase, this black bar is also increased. Okay, now we will increase more. Here also it will come more.